Welcome! Today we're diving into the Pythagorean Theorem, a fundamental concept in geometry for grades 6 to 8. Let's explore how it works and why it's so useful. The Pythagorean Theorem helps us find missing side lengths in right-angled triangles. It states that the square of the hypotenuse, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This simple formula unlocks a lot of possibilities in geometry. Here's a quick demonstration of the theorem. If one side is 3 units and the other is 4 units, the hypotenuse will be 5 units because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. Notice how the areas of the two smaller squares add up to the area of the larger square on the hypotenuse. That's the beauty of this property. In today's lesson, we'll apply the Pythagorean theorem to find unknown side lengths in two-dimensional shapes and learn how to check if a triangle is right-angled. These skills are practical and easy to master. Example 1. Let's start with an example. We have a triangle with sides 6 and 8 units. Using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we substitute the numbers. 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. That's 36 plus 64, which equals 100. Taking the square root gives us 10. So the hypotenuse is 10 units.
Example 2. Now, let's find a missing side. The hypotenuse is 11 units, and one side is 7 units. Plugging into the formula, 7 squared plus b squared equals 11 squared. That's 49 plus b squared equals 121. Subtract 49 from 121 to get 72. The square root of 72 is about 8.49. So the missing side is approximately 8.49 units.
Checking for right angles. Is this triangle right-angled? The sides are 9, 7, and 11 units. Let's check. 9 squared plus 7 squared equals 81 plus 49 is equal to 130. The hypotenuse squared is 11 squared equals 121. Since 130 is not equal to 121, this triangle is not right-angled. Practice questions. Now it's your turn. Here are some practice problems. Find the missing sides of these right-angled triangles and round your answers to 2 decimal places. Pause the video and give them a try. Solutions. Here are the solutions. For the first triangle, the missing side is about 6.40 units. The second is 10.82 units. The third is 10.39 units, and the fourth is approximately 12.69 units. How did you do? Review your answers and correct your mistakes and practice similar problems to get better clarity of the property. Great work today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. In the next video, we'll explore how to find the square root of a number easily. See you there. Save, share and subscribe for more videos.